The society, all the spheres, there are 101 issues, 101 issues, not one or two. We need to take up one by one, or all together also no problem. Because we are in a hurry, we can't wait anymore. So probably all of us, individual life, how we live, what we do is matters. It's not the private issues, but as a living style, lifestyle, all these things matter. So probably in this direction, Sadashivanagar Resident Welfare Association can be a role model, and they've been doing good. We are all with you, always will be with you. You can trust us, no problem. Whatever best in the given situation, we can't be the best, but we'll be the best. We'll try to be the best. So along with me, our former corporator, Keshav, and Keshavji always been a leader from front, and my president, S.M. Krishna is here, President S.M. Krishna, and all other seniors are here to this occasion. Once again, I'll not take much of your time, sir. We'll see how best, what more can be to low-level park, how we can make it more better place and a public space with a good message for the next generation to carry forward. So once again, I thank all of you for giving me this opportunity to be part of this program. Dhanyavad, Shubhodaya, Namaskar. Boss always thank you.
Unfortunately, I am not so fluent in Kannada as our MLA sir is, so I will stick to the language that I am comfortable with. Thank you to the Bagrecha family. Thank you very much, sir, for support in so many ways to our area. Soon after we facilitated getting permissions, etc. from the government agencies to improve certain parts of the park, we made a beeline for the Bagrecha family and requested them if they could help us with a portion of the park that was looking very natural but needed a little work on it. And sure enough, they came forward, and thank you Khushbu for having done such a beautiful